Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Torx T20 screwdriver and, of course, a new cabin air filter. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off. The cabin air filter housing is typically found under the glove box area, so let's get ready to access it. Now, let's access the filter. You'll see 3 Torx T20 screws holding the under dash panel in place. Carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull down on the panel to unclip it from the dashboard. There's also an electrical connector attached. Disconnect this to completely remove the panel and give yourself clear access to the filter housing. With the panel removed, you'll see the filter housing. Unclip it and carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. Now, take your new filter and insert it, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper air circulation. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the under dash panel. Carefully reattach the panel, making sure all clips snap back into place. Then, secure it firmly with the 3 Torx T20 screws you removed earlier. Your new cabin air filter is now installed, providing cleaner air. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your fresh cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.